Adventurous dolphin lives in the ocean, loves fresh fish, and enjoys jumping through waves. He is sparkling blue with smooth, slippery skin. Playful panda resides in a bamboo forest, adores bamboo shoots, and climbs trees for fun. She is black and white with soft, furry skin. Enchanting elephant inhabits the savanna, relishes juicy fruits, and splashes in waterholes. She is gentle gray with tough, wrinkled skin. Graceful giraffe roams the open savanna, feasts on acacia leaves, and stretches to reach high branches. He is sunny gold and brown with spotted, firm skin. Tenacious tiger prowls the dense jungle, savors savory meat, and stalks through tall grass. She is fiery orange and black with sleek, striped skin. Happy hippo dwells on muddy riverbanks, enjoys fresh grasses, and sunbathes with friends. He is dusky gray with smooth skin coated in mud. Curious chimpanzee lives in forest canopies, loves sweet bananas, and swings from vines. He is deep chocolate brown with silky, soft skin. Wise owl resides in old woodland trees, eats crunchy insects, and explores at night. She is tawny brown with feathered, soft skin. Loyal lion roams open grasslands, enjoys delicious game, and roars at sunrise. He is regal gold with a luxurious mane and tough skin. Shy seahorse inhabits coral reefs, feeds on tiny plankton, and droops